Medical emergencies and natural disasters can occur at any time and place. It is important to know what to do in these events because it can save a person's life or reduce unnecessary visits to the doctor or emergency room. This course is intended to be a resource for any teacher or administrator concerned about the health and safety of their students, school, or community. In this course, you will learn step-by-step techniques to help your students develop the life skills necessary to prevent accidents at home, school, on the road, and in the outdoors. You will learn how to recognize and treat illnesses and injuries, understand foundational emergency procedures, and establish a disaster preparedness plan. You will develop a personal safety action plan for your own use or to benefit one of your students. By the end of this course, you will demonstrate mastery of personal safety through lesson plan development, action plan creation, peer interviews, and reflective assignments.